But we begin this morning with the impact of Hurricane Lee already being felt this morning. Hurricane and tropical storm watches are in effect for coastal New England.
East Coast seeing big waves and dangerous rip currents. Rob Marciano is in Narragansett, Rhode Island. Good morning, Rob.
Hey, good morning, George. Seems like it's been a week since we had a nice day here in New England, but now we got to look at Hurricane Lee. Tropical storm watches are posted here in Rhode Island and Massachusetts, New Hampshire, and Maine, where hurricane watches are also up, so preps are being made. Boats are coming out, are going into safe harbor. Storm shutters are up, and as you can see behind me, the waves are rolling in, and it may be pretty, but when they get this big, you know a storm is coming. It seems like Dahlia and Franklin were just last week where we're dealing with beach erosion up and down the East Coast, and we're dealing with it now with Lee, and the waves are going to continue to be monstrous. Look at what's going to go on today across Bermuda. 30 to 40-foot waves will be pushing up across the Atlantic towards Nova Scotia, towards New England. 10 to 15-footers here in Cape Cod and in Rhode Island. We could see a storm surge on the bay side, but the biggest storm surge will be, it looks like, across New Brunswick, Maine potentially, and Nova Scotia. You know, it's been a while, George. You got to really go back to 2012, Hurricane Sandy, since we've had a storm of this size and magnitude make a run at New England.
Okay,
George.
Rob, thanks. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos